Raccoon. Hello?
A shortage of poultry. That one really hurt. He really got my ass.
Some of you just don't believe that my dog's a vegetarian, so I have this set up right now for you guys to see. We have this really gross, it's like a beef, like dog food, and then I have this delicious green salad. So I'm gonna bring her out and we're gonna see which one she likes. Also, my dog is very healthy. She loves greens, she loves her salad, and I don't force her to eat her salad. It's what she likes. Come here, come here, okay. Okay, so this is Bonnie. She is my little vegetarian, okay? Now, no, don't eat that. No, eat that salad. Look, salad. Do you want to eat the salad? Here, pick one. No. No, Bonnie, no.
Oh my. Baby. Eu vou morrer! Eu não caí dentro. Ai, meu Deus do céu! Agora sim! Agora eu enriquei! Ai, meu Deus! Hoje...